Hey guys, it's your girl Lola here, AE29 Fashion. So I had two clients here that were going to an African party. They had a shrebi and asked me to do something for them, something pretty and cute. They were referred to me for a friend and they said that they couldn't wait to see what I was going to do for them. So let's see. So guys, I'm all done now. The dresses came out really nice. So they're the two dresses I made for my clients and they were very happy. So guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Ciao.